3, 2, 1.
The painting The Triumph of Galatea by Raphael is a part of which art movement? The answer is B. High Renaissance. Which dessert consists of layered cake, fruit, and whipped cream? The answer is B. Cake. From which country does Emmental cheese originate? The answer is B. Switzerland. In order to build a wooden table, which of the following is the best thing to do first? The answer is D. Make a drawing of the table. What is the smallest unit of data that can be processed by a computer? The answer is A. Byte. What is haute couture in English? The answer is A. High fashion. In 1963, Federico Fellini made a classic film about a harried movie director who had lost his inspiration. Can you name it? The answer is D. 81/2. Which popular sitcom features a group of friends in New York City? The answer is B. Friends. What is the smallest bone in humans? The answer is A. Toe bone. What unforgettable character did actor Heath Ledger portray in the 2008 Batman movie The Dark Knight? The answer is B. The Joker. Which material is commonly used for wicker furniture? The answer is A. Bamboo. The following represents a number displayed on a calculator 1.454545E3. Which of the following shows how a student should record this number in a laboratory report? The answer is C. 1.45x103. What is the term used for a large body of air of the same temperature and moisture conditions? The answer is A. Air mass. Where did popcorn originate? The answer is D. Mexico. Which dessert has a hard, sweet, round shell and creamy filling? The answer is B. Chocolate truffle. In the epic movie Braveheart, William Wallace won his first major victory at what battle? The answer is C. The Battle of Stirling Bridge. Which is the tallest volcano in the world? The answer is A. Mauna Loa. What fruit is used to make wine? The answer is C. Grape. What type of joint are ball and socket, hinge, and pivot examples of? The answer is C. Movable. About how old is Frodo when he leaves the Shire in the book The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring? The answer is B, 50. In the TV series Xena, Warrior Princess, which dream god kidnapped Gabrielle, forcing Xena to rescue her from the dreamscape? The answer is D, Morpheus. What does the prefix Pyth refer to? The answer is D, A. Competition is a relationship between organisms that depend on the same resources. The resources might be food, water, or what? The answer is A, space. What color does lithium burn when it reacts with water? The answer is B, blue. What holds items on walls? The answer is A, shelf. Which color was the color of the year in 2019? The answer is D, Pantone Living Coral D. What's the device used for measuring on a paper? The answer is A, protractor. What is freshwater below the Earth's surface called? The answer is C, groundwater. What forms when a sperm fertilizes an egg? The answer is D, zygote. Which operating system was released by IBM in 1984? The answer is D, IBM OS/2. What basic plan structure can add support and anchorage? The answer is D, roots. What is the fundamental particle of light? The answer is A, photon. What is the Norse goddess associated with war and death? The answer is A, Freya. In what form do plants and animals store sugar for later use? The answer is A, storage polysaccharides. Before it started using the euro, which country used marks? The answer is B, Germany. In which of Lemony Snicket's books does Jack Snicket die? The answer is C, The Vile Village. What was the robot repairing on the outside of the ship in the movie Wall-E? The answer is C, a light. Which gas forms when silicon reacts with hydrochloric acid? The answer is C, silicon dioxide. Where does Wall-E find the plant in the self-titled movie? The answer is A, in a refrigerator. What language is most widely spoken in Mexico? The answer is A, Spanish. Which of these items contains a fat-soluble vitamin? The answer is B, yogurt. What is the chemical symbol for helium? The answer is D, He. In his work with pea plants, Mendel performed what, which involves mating two true-breeding individuals that have different traits? The answer is C, hybridization. What do some animals use to get a feel for their environment? The answer is C, mechanoreceptors. What is the Roman name for the Greek god Pan? The answer is C, Mercury. Which river flows through Pennsylvania's capital city, Harrisburg? The answer is A, Susquehanna. What are bones made up of? The answer is B, tissues. What is the term for a situation where a country's exports exceed imports? The answer is C, inflation. What were the Hebrew names of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego according to the book of Daniel? The answer is C, Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah. What kitchen tool is often used for slicing bread?